So what you're looking at is my container with my tilapia fries. They are exactly 1 week old. Alright. Okay, the question today, well, the video today is about is it necessary for me to do water change in my fry tank? Okay, stay tuned. Hi everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Okay, water change in general is really a hectic task. Water change involves the removal of water that was once in your aquarium pond or whatever space you actually keep your fish in. Right? At times, your water can become a little bit dangerous, toxic, poisonous to the aquatic creatures that actually lives within it. Right? So at times, you will need to do water change. What about the fry? What about the baby fish that exists within the water space? Do I need to do water change? And the answer is yes. The extent in which you need to do water change, however, rests within several factors. Okay, for example, these are tilapia fries, right? They were taken from my large pond, right? The space is small because it's a 5-gallon bucket, and the container is filled with Elodia densa plant, right? The plant will take care of a lot of the waste in which the fish actually release in the water, while the plant will also help to oxygenate the water in which the fries actually lives. Okay, my process. How do I manage my fry pan, my fry space? What I normally do is to keep my my fries, should I say my fry space, um, covered with a mesh, right? And this allows me to protect the fries within it from creatures that might come by, whether in the night or in the day, whenever I am not around, right? So most of my task in maintaining this container is done on the top, right? The plants actually take care of the nutrients that exist within the space, right? I do water change at times, but this is just what you call top up. When I say top up, I mean I just like, because of evaporation, I will actually place a little bit more water inside. Now, the my fries will only be within this space for 4 weeks. After 4 weeks, my fries will be taken to one of these ponds, and they will be placed in it, probably 2 dozen per pond, and it will remain there for another 6 weeks. After about 6 weeks, then I will take those fish to a larger space, right, wherein it they will continue to, be kept healthy and strong, fed appropriately, so as to be able to go out as food fish. Now the fish in here will be harvested anytime soon. So these fish, I am not 100% sure if these fish will be involved in my aquaponics project, in which I have in about 3 to 4 months time. By that time, the fries in which you are seeing now be an average of between 4 months, 4 months, 4.5 months, are probably a little bit older, thereby providing enough waste for my vegetable garden, in which I'm going to be dealing with over the next few weeks. Presently, as I shared with you, I am doing a project on goldfish keeping and breeding. So right after that, I'll be doing the aquaponics project, and you will see that in its fulsome glory, right? So these fries have a long way to go before they reach the tote, and after the tote, it's in my plate, right? Because all of these fries are bred and are kept primarily for my family's consumption and not for sale. Periodically, I might choose a name out of the hat in which have been asking me regarding fries, and I will make arrangement with regards to probably selling of probably 1 dozen or 2 dozen. It depends, right? But we'll see how that goes further down in the year. But for now, they stay with me because you can't sell fries, right? You sell fingerlings, and fingerlings are tilapia fish that is an average between 1.5 to 2 inches, right? That's a fingerling, right? So these now, my work is cut out for me, keeping them alive and away from predators. Thank you very much for stopping by, guys. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. Peace out. Catch you next time.